In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on the website, not the app. We're going to walk through this carefully so it's smooth and stress-free. You'll be making this change on the website in a browser, not in the mobile app. If you're currently playing or have a live chess session open, go ahead and close it first. Being logged out of live chess helps the change apply cleanly without any hiccups during play. Also, keep in mind you can only change your username once every 90 days, so pick something you're happy to keep for a while and double check the spelling before you save. Let's start on the website. Head to Settings, then open the Profile section. This is where your account details live. On that page, you'll see your current username displayed. Next to it, look for the option to change it and click Change. This opens the edit field where you can enter the new name you want. Type your new username carefully. Think about readability, how it will look to other people, and whether it reflects how you want to appear across the site. Because you only get one change every 90 days, take a moment to make sure it's exactly right. No accidental extra characters or capitalization you don't want. When you're confident, you'll be asked to confirm the change by entering your account password. This step is there to protect your account and verify it's really you making the update. Once your new username and your password are entered, click Save. Give it a moment to process. If everything checks out, your username will update across your profile. From here on, you'll sign in and be recognized by this new username, and other users will see it too. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. First, this process needs to be done on the website. If you're in the app, you won't find this option. Open a browser instead. Second, if you had live chess open, make sure it's closed before you start and reopen it after the change is complete. That helps prevent any confusion with your identity in active sessions. And finally, remember the 90-day rule. If you need to adjust your name again, you'll have to wait until that window resets, so choose thoughtfully now. That's it. Go to Settings Profile, find your username, click Change, enter the new name and your password, then save. With a little care and a quick confirmation, your updated username will be ready to use.